The Food Production Solutions Association, or FPSA, is the trade association for suppliers to the food and beverage processing, packaging, and equipment manufacturing industry. To meet the industry's demands, the Lincoln Tech Group of Schools has partnered with the FPSA to offer the Food Industry Technician Development Program to graduates of our HVAC and Electrical programs. Our training facility, located in Indianapolis, Indiana, is designed to foster student success in an environment that they are familiar with after graduating from their HVAC or electrical programs. Through this 12-week program, students receive the training and certification they need to become qualified technicians for the food and beverage industries. A career path within a high-demand industry presents opportunities for professional growth. The shortage of skilled technicians in today's workforce gives graduates an advantage when they enter the field to launch their new careers. The FIT curriculum delivers instruction in hydraulics, pneumatics, AC and DC advanced control systems, conveyor systems, and more. Students will have the basic knowledge they will need to get the job done upon graduation. FIT instructors are field experienced and highly skilled at training students, walking them through each area of instruction until the students feel comfortable with their knowledge level. If you believe this program is the right fit for you, scan the QR code on the screen and connect with a Workforce Link recruiter today.